In this demonstration, I will be showing you two of my favorite applications used. Google Forms is going to be the first one. You can just go to google.com and type in Google Forms, and this should pop up for you. Everything on here is free. Google Forms can be used to do a lot of different things like collect contact info. You can do surveys, assessments, and ticket out the door. If you go to the template gallery, it shows you different templates that can be used. You can create your own quiz, as I mentioned, exit ticket and assessment, course evaluation worksheet. What I like about this, if you decide to do like a quiz, you are able to type in your own question and the responses. You're able to choose if you want it to be multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkbox, check grid. You are able to add a title and description. You can add images on here. You can also add video and different sections if you would like. You can change the background if you wanted to. You can require them to put their emails on here when it's submitted to you. It just makes everything a lot easier. You can get all of your students' contact information so that you have it all on file. Google Forms will definitely be used by me whenever I do get my own classroom, because I like all the many different things that you are able to do on here. Now, the next one that I like is Quizlet. I like that you're able to type in your own questions. Let's see if I can go to create. You can easily do a subject, like what you want the quiz to be over, and you can add as many questions as you would like. Or if you want to do like term and definition, you're able to do that. And once you add them all and you click create, it will let me go to my study sets to show one that I've recently done. Okay, the one I done was over Christmas songs. I typed in all of my questions in Quizlet. It gives you different methods: a learn method, flashcards, write, spell, test, match, gravity. From the questions that I chose, it creates different things that I can do with them. And this one right here is a quiz where you match up, the picture and the saying with the words. So Quizlet was very helpful. I think it'll be very helpful for my students once I do come up with something that I want them to learn. I'll go to Quizlet, just type in my questions, and it pretty much does the work for you. It even generates a test for you. So this was my short demonstration over Quizlet and Google Forms. Thank you.